The Oukitel K16 is Oukitel's latest device. It's a compact smartphone that is expected to launch on the 22nd of May. The device has an elegant design and it packs decent specs. In this video, we'll explore its top features and specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's quickly dig into it. First, let's talk about its design. The Oukitel K16 has a croc leather texture design with alloy trims and gold-plated power and volume buttons. The device is available in two colors, black and brown, giving you the privilege to choose which you prefer. Let's talk about its top specs. The device is powered by the MTK8788 processor, which is an identical processor to the Helio P60. They have the same specs, so the performance of both processors are the same as well. They are basically the same processors with different names. The device boasts a small 3.5-inch HD Plus display and it utilizes 8GB RAM, which is more than enough for many smartphone users, and it also has a 120GB internal storage, which I believe can be expanded, but there is no information about that. The device also runs on the latest version of Android, the Android 13. Very great. It gives you the opportunity to be able to use a much more modern and much more optimized Android version. At the back of the phone, there is a shield-shaped camera module that contains a 48MP camera, which is the phone's main and only rear camera. The phone also features an 8MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The phone is 15.7mm thick and currently its weight is unknown, but I expect the device to be lightweight. The device also is backed by a 30-50 mAh battery, a relatively small battery capacity. As of now, I do not know if the phone supports fast charging or not. It's also not revealed. I don't want to speculate, but I believe this device will support at least 10 watts charging. But make sure to take that info with a grain of salt until the official details are out. I'm only speculating, alright? So other features of the device includes 4G dual SIM support, NFC, Face ID, SOS function, OTG, Bluetooth 5.0, and just to let you guys know, it seems this device does not support a fingerprint scanner. I don't know yet, but once I get details about that, I'll update you guys. So these are the top features and specs of the Oukitel K16. Once the device is officially launched and the official price is revealed, I'll update you guys. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Oukitel K16, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.